Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following along this week, you know that we've been diving into the world of natural skincare. Now, we started with how I healed my daughter's skin and moved on to the incredible benefits of healing oils. But today we're going to continue that journey by exploring a powerful ingredient that's been staple in my skincare formula, and that's eucalyptus oil. And this is one of the oils that I hand make myself, that I put into my skincare for so many great reasons. Eucalyptus oil is not just about another essential oil, it's a true game changer for skin's health. Its benefits go way beyond just a refreshing scent, because this oil has a rich history and a solid foundation in both traditional and modern medicine. And it originates from Australia, and it's been used by the Aboriginal people for centuries. And they've used it to treat wounds, infections, and a variety of skin conditions. But today, we know that these traditional uses are backed by science. Now, the secret behind eucalyptus oil's effectiveness lies in its active compound, eucalypto. Now, the compound has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial and antifungal properties, and this makes it ideal for treating a range of skin conditions like acne, eczema, psoriasis, and it also helps to reduce redness so that's great for skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema, because it also soothes irritation, and it can even combat bacterial infection that can lead to breakouts. So eucalyptus oil is a fantastic healing and repair oil for those types of skin conditions. Now, in my eucalyptus dermazine formula, I've harnessed these benefits in a way that's safe and it's effective for all over body use, including your face, whether you're dealing with a specific skin issue or simply looking to maintain a healthier glow, just healthier skin in general. This formula can make a noticeable difference. Now, eucalyptus oil works by improving circulation. It also promotes skin renewal and supports the body's natural healing processes. So if you're curious to experience the benefits for yourself, my eucalyptus dermazine formula is available in the description below, and I'm giving 50% off. It's that good. Now, I'm a huge advocate for using natural oils in my skincare routine. Now, they're not just moisturizing, they actually heal and protect your skin at a deeper level. So don't be afraid to incorporate oils like eucalyptus into your routine. All of my skincare products are crafted with a base of shea butter and coconut oil infused with lavender and frankincense. And these are in all my base formulas that I use on my skin as well. Now, if you're curious and you want to try to make your own type of skincare, I'd encourage you to join my Telegram community where we discuss all things natural from the inside out. But before I wrap this up, I'd love to invite you to just go to the link below and click there and join, so that you can join these discussions, especially if you're passionate about natural health, because we share tips, we support each other, and we discuss all things related to holistic wellness. I'd love to see you there. So please do visit the link in the description below and join. And I'll be live in the discussions there with you. So thanks for watching. Please do join me again in my future videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural health solutions. So until next time, keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.